Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So all we have to do basically is to simply enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see here, we've got the option Restore Default, so just tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so confirm it with OK. And we've immediately got back to the camera, and you cannot see the grid lines, they disappeared, which means that we just successfully reset all camera settings to their defaults. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.